In this video, I'm going to try 2 different ways to make indoor s'mores in the microwave and in the oven. We're also going to try it with bittersweet chocolate, white chocolate, and a mix of both. Which one is better? Stay tuned to the end of the video to see which one is the winner. Hi, I'm Fanny of Living Richly on a Budget, so let's get started. So we're using pre-cut graham crackers, mini marshmallows, Ghirardelli bittersweet chocolate chips, Ghirardelli white chocolate chips. You can use either mini marshmallows or regular sized marshmallows. I just feel like the regular sized marshmallows is a little too overpowering. For the chocolate, a chocolate bar or chocolate chips is fine either way. First, let's try the microwave method. I saw a YouTube video on someone making s'mores in the microwave for just 20 seconds, so I had to try it and see if it's gonna work. It seems too good to be true, right? it's so short. Well, after 20 seconds, the marshmallows weren't even melted and the chocolate was still hard, so it didn't work. It didn't do anything and it was really disappointing. So I tried 20 more seconds. You can see the marshmallows puffing up here. Guess how it turned out? As you can see, the marshmallows melted, but the chocolate still not melted at all. It's still hard as a rock. And they're not equally melting at the same time. So looks like the microwave method doesn't really work. I had to microwave it even longer, like almost 2 minutes worth of microwaving to get the chocolate to melt. So now you can see that, see it's getting gooey now. And let's make our s'mores. This is super messy. Oh my goodness. Here's the marshmallows back. This is ooey gooey, ooey gooey. And these are stuck together. Whoa. I need a knife. So let's try this. Oh. Of course this is good and super messy. The graham crackers are like crispy in here. My hand has all this chocolate on here, you guys. All right. This white chocolate one is really good. It's different. Tastes like, I like the cocoa butter with the marshmallow. It kind of complements it, like the graham cracker and the marshmallow together. I never tried it before, but I think my husband really liked it because he loves white chocolate. I kind of like this. So it's white chocolate with the marshmallow. It's really hard to see the white chocolate in here. So kind of prefer the white chocolate now. Let's try the oven method now. Here are the flavors: bittersweet chocolate, white chocolate, and bittersweet and white chocolate together. Are you excited to see how this turns out? It's in the oven. Try for 2 minutes. This is just 2 minutes of broiling. Look at how brown those marshmallows are. So these are right out of the oven, and as you can see, the marshmallows are nice and toasted without like a campfire. It's nice and burnt, and the chocolate is melted along with it. I think you can tell already which method is better, microwave or oven. In the oven, everything melts equally together. It's only 2 minutes in a broiler, super fast, and it's not as frustrating as the microwave. So let's put these together and try them. I like to separate it because I feel like it's neater. Lost some chocolate there. So we're gonna try these s'mores. Look at that. This is the bittersweet chocolate, the white chocolate, and then the mix, the chocolate and white chocolate. So let's try this. First trying this one. Yeah, everything's dripping out. I like how, bittersweet chocolate's not super sweet. The bittersweet chocolate gives it like a kind of gourmet flavor. It up levels the s'more. It's not a super sweet like Hershey's chocolate kind of s'more. It's different. It's more special. Let's try the white chocolate one. It's almost like a honey taste, like the honey graham crackers, so they kind of all blend in together. Lastly, I'm trying the one that's mixed. Can you see it? There's white chocolate and bittersweet chocolate in here. Oh my gosh, it's dripping. Mmm. Mmm. You guys. So my favorite is the bittersweet chocolate with the white chocolate together. You get the richness of the bittersweet chocolate and then the sweetness of the white chocolate together, and it tastes, oh my gosh, it tastes special, tastes gourmet. Obviously the oven method is better than the microwave method. I was kind of surprised. I mean, like, I thought it'd be faster with the microwave. So the microwave didn't melt the chocolates at the same speed as it melted the marshmallows, and that was disappointing. And it ended up being like 2 minutes of microwaving anyway. Might as well just put it in the oven, in the broiler. With the oven method, you get it toasted. The marshmallows are toasted. Versus the microwave, it doesn't toast it, doesn't brown it, like in a campfire. So what do you guys think? Are you gonna try this? Did you guess right? Did you guess which method worked better? Let me know in the comments below. I'm interested. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.